Hello, Nanny Janny here. Well, I've done it. I've made myself invincible, not invisible, invincible, and I'm gonna have a go at level 61 in the mines. I'm pretty scared. Okay, so we need 3 of them, which I got. Oh, God, I'm scared. So, I guess I've got to turn this handle to see if I open that door. Let's see. Yep, open the door. So, now what? What are these about? What are they about? Those you've got to do a puzzle? Oh, yeah. I guess I've got to light a torch. Have a look. I can hear stuff. I can hear something. Let's have a look. Oh, nearly went down into the lava. Oh, it's up. And there's a down. What shall I do? Down, I think. Have a look down first. Oh yeah, there's some stones. Oh, let's chuck these down. Get my nice new weapon out. What do you think? Well, I need a pickaxe really, I suppose, but let's have a look what damage it does to them. Should have bought a pickaxe. Maybe hitting them with a shovel will help. Oh, there's a few of them hitting me. Come on, die. Let's turn it around and hit it with the other thing. Yeah, that was it. I was hitting them with the shovel. Let's leave you there. Oh, this is going to take years. Do you think my house is going to go down? I don't know. Oh yeah, at last. One sec. Come on. Die, mate. I'll concentrate on one. I could have definitely bought a blooming pickaxe. These stone ones were going to be first. Oh, hello. Ding. Sounds like a bit stuff. Good for my muscles, I suppose. I've put the 3 cores in there now, so I've got to carry on. Die. What's happening? Let's try it with the axe. Oh. Well, that's them done. Oh, that was a lot of work, wasn't it? Blooming heck. Put that behind. You can have a look down here if there's any puzzles. Oh, there's another doorway there. Don't know how you're going to get through that one. I don't like that ticking. I want to know what that ticking's about. Is it a timer? Hope nothing comes out of the lava. Oh, there's a handle. What's this going to do? Open the door, probably. You open it. Oh, spinning that round. Spinning. Oh, here come some big ones. Oh my god. I haven't got anything. What? Oh, come on. Where did my weapon go? Alright, where's my bow? He's got the camera in him. Oh no. Yeah. Little. Go back up and get my blooming. Oh well, they die easy. If they're all bow and arrow. Leave me alone, mate. Oh, yeah, they go quite easy. I don't know why I bothered with all that. Hitting. Get off. Have a look. One more. Oh, the door's shut. Yeah, the door's shut behind me. Damn. Oh, it's open again. I was going to say, I want to get my weapon. Oh, now I can hear a worm. So that will be good for my blade if I can find it. Put my bow away. Let's get the camera out again. Hello, hello. Here I am. You're doing it. Let's see what I did with my axe. There it is. Goodness. Right, let's go get these worms. Oh, and my torch. I don't need that, I don't think. Still pretty dark, but I've only got one hand and I can't take you with me if I'm holding the torch. Can I? Stop taking pictures, woman. Right. Oh, there. Oh, I think I just leave you here and I'll go kill it. Oh, no, I can't get up there. I've got the stairs. Oh, one hit. Camera. That was one hit. Oh, they die easy. Gosh. You have a few people with you. Totally. Yeah, I don't know what to do there. So there's a handle. Ah, that's one of them turny bridges. Yeah. Let's have a see. Yep, that goes up. So I want it to come down a bit. Stop the fire. Oh, silly me. Why don't I shoot him? Yeah, see. So what's this about? Turn that round. Is it round? Gone too far. Gone too far. Oh no, I haven't got my camera out. Right. Oh look! Look! It's all ready to hit with a hammer. It doesn't like going in my bag for some reason. Oh well, let's get the camera out again and see what's up here now. Turn it round. Let's go see. Have a look. Walk across this pole. A bit dark. It's like a trough. Oh, look. Bend down, get in it. Oh, can't get out. So, what have I got to do then? Climb on it. Climb on it. Yeah, just get on it. Go across. Pick up my arrow. Now, oh, there's another doorway up there. A bit dark, isn't it? What would I need to do? Ah, so it can go up there. I think I better get a fork out, don't you? This one I made earlier. So, let's see what we got to do. There's the stairs. So that's the piston thingy. Is it coming all the way down and I'm going on it? Yeah, you can see me. Damaging. I presume this is the way. Yep. Ah, maybe I should have. Aha. Can we open this door? Yep. Yep. Oh. Alright, come on. Up. 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 Here we go. We're in. Oh, another handle. Another handle. What's that done? So that obviously did something. Let's have a look. And this door, there's a door there. Let's go see what this one leads to. Come on, up. Here we go. Oh. Come on up. Oh. Dead end. What haven't I done? Knock knock, who's there? No. So I have to do something there then. Oh, what's this then? What didn't I do? That's the big circle there. Let's have a look if that opened it. Yes! Yeah. It opened it. Go on up. Ugh. Trying to sneak under it. Come on, up. Go up. Throw that under. Yes! Made it through. And another one. Golly. Well, what's that do then? Nothing. Let's have a look. That didn't open. Oh, here's something new opened. Ooh. So that opened. That opens something here. Yes. Aha. We're getting there. Oof. And another switch. Oh, I think I got stuck.